The tragedi bintaro train crash. So let's go on the train. Doors are closing. Caution, the doors are about to close. Hello? Hello, Sudimara. Depart train number 775 immediately. Okay, the train number 775 is clear. Depart train immediately. Kebayoran. Ma'am, the train is departing now. Who asked him to depart? You idiots! Nothing. I'm saying this to a story. Oh, I'm just saying this to a story. I'll set this video up for YouTube, kids. Alright, so I'm gonna set this video up for YouTube, kids. Okay? Alright. Oh, what a nice day to drive along this train trip. Huh? What's that sign? It says, danger slow curve. Oh, I ignore it. I'm not slowing down. No way. Oh no, we're going to crash. Uh-oh, the train is shanking. Well, we're going to crash. Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Huh? Gets off the rails. Oh no, we're going to... Oh my gosh, I'm derailed. Someone needs to fetch down, break down crane. My train broke down. Now it needs to be get to the workshop repaired. And nobody sent it down. The end. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you a true story about Tragedi Bintaro. The Tragedi Bintaro is occurred on October, and two trains collided, and the train has crashed in the middle of Bintaro, Indonesia. I hope you enjoyed that. The end.